Imagine if I told you that every wealthy person you admire today didn't start smarter than everyone else, didn't start richer, and wasn't luckier either. The truth is, they all started from the same place. A different mindset, bold decisions, and long-term patience. Today, you're going to discover how real wealth is actually built, and how ordinary people became some of the most successful individuals in the world. If you're ready to change the way you think about money forever, stay with me until the end. Follow along until the end of the video. I will reveal secrets and hidden truths that even the rich haven't told you. Wealth starts in the mind. Wealth doesn't start in your wallet. It starts in your mind. Rich people focus on opportunities. Poor people focus on problems. Take Warren Buffett, for example. One of the richest investors in the world. He bought his first stock as a child. Not because he was rich, but because he understood one powerful idea. Money should work for you, not sit still. He once said, "If you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die." The lesson is simple. Stop thinking about money as something you spend, and start thinking about money as something you invest. Financial success is a learnable skill. Financial success is not a talent. It's not luck. And it's definitely not about degrees. It's a skill. Look at Elon Musk. He didn't come from wealth. And his journey was far from easy. But he was obsessed with learning. He learned programming. He learned physics. He learned business. And multiple times, he risked everything he had. Here's the truth. Every skill you learn increases your value. And the more value you create, the more money you earn. Ask yourself this question. What skill am I learning today that will increase my income 1 year from now? Wealth does not come from a job alone. Most people believe a job equals security. But here's the truth. A job gives you income, not wealth. Look at Oprah Winfrey. She grew up in extreme poverty and faced incredible challenges. But she didn't rely on a paycheck. She turned her voice, her experience, and her influence into a global brand. The lesson? One source of income is risky. Multiple income streams create financial safety. Ask yourself, do I have an additional source of income? Even a small one? Wealth requires patience, not speed. There is no such thing as real wealth overnight. Financial success is a long-term game. When Jeff Bezos started Amazon, the company lost money for years. People laughed at him. But he saw what others couldn't see. He stayed patient. He kept improving. He kept building. And the result? One of the most powerful companies in human history. If you rush results, you'll quit early. But if you stay patient, you win big. Invest in yourself first. The most valuable investment you will ever make is investing in yourself. Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad, Poor Dad, always focused on financial education instead of traditional education alone. He said, "The real reason people struggle financially is because they were never taught how money works. Learn about money management, investing, sales, and business thinking. These are the real keys to long-term wealth." Strong question and call to action. Now that you've heard real stories and understood that wealth is not luck, not coincidence, and not a single breakthrough, here's the most important question. Are you ready to start? Not tomorrow. Not when life gets easier. But today. Start learning a skill. Start a small income stream. Start changing the way you think. Start with yourself. If this message resonated with you, comment below. I'm starting today. Like this video. Subscribe to the channel. And join us as we build financial success step by step. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, wealth is a decision, not luck.